done for you digital products. What is it? So I am so excited to share with you about digital products and what it is. So this video today is to give a more of awareness of what digital products is and how it can make you a passive income. So if this is for you, then please stay for the full video. So in October of 2023, I've learned about digital products. I don't know about you, but this commercial would come on where Amazon says, don't buy physical products, buy digital products. And I'm like, what is digital products? I knew nothing about it. So I did my little research in Google. I'm like, okay, so you're saying with digital products, there's no packaging or shipping, any of that stuff? Okay, maybe they onto something here. So I did a little Google research about digital products and the industry, and I found out that from 5 to 7 years, this is going to be a $1 trillion industry. And I'm like, what? So this is not going anywhere. This is going to be the new normal. So you're going to want to fit in where you can with digital products. So once I did my research and learn about the digital world and learn about the business of online business. So I've happened to saw this young lady on Instagram just sharing about digital products and how she's able to make 10,000 a week, 20,000 a month or more, and I'm hearing another person saying they made this and that and that. And I'm like, oh my goodness, is this really real? I mean, can you really make this amount of money? And so guess what I did? I've invested in so many different ways of how to make money online, Amazon, all this stuff, but they were like physical products. Never did I thought about digital product until I began to learn about digital products. So some of us will try to think things are not real because we don't do the research ourselves. And so as of now, this is a multi-billion industry right now. So all it's going is up, up, up. It's not going anywhere. So of course, let me go ahead and learn about this, and see where I fit in. And so at the time when I went through the courses and everything like that, in my mind, I was saying to myself, you know what, maybe this is not for me because I know nothing about the digital world. I have no experience. I mean, who's going to want to hear from me? And all that was a lie. People want to hear your experience. People want you to share what you experience. People want someone who relates to them. And people are not really buying the product. They're buying from you. If you relate to them, then that's who they're going to purchase from. They want someone that shares their same goal and their same ideas. So when I first started off, I was like, I don't know anything about this. But you know what I had to do? I had to step out into the unknown, learn a new skill, acquire the skill, develop the skills. Because guess what? Listen here. I thought that the gurus or people that have a lot of money are the one that's going to succeed and do well in this type of field, and it's not. And it's not someone that that's just gifted into it. They just gifted. They can like make sales and do this. It's not. It's a skill that you have to develop, and many of us don't stay in the game long enough to develop those skills. So you got to stay in long enough to develop those skills. It didn't take me that long, and I'm still learning. So through the course, it taught me about the business of online business, okay? So I'm going a little back. I learned about that. I learned about how to create funnels, how to create my own automated system. That's when somebody go through the page and it's going to take them to the payment system. Then they're going to download. It's going to send them the digital product. It's going to send them the course. Then it's going to send them a receipt. Then the money is going to be sent to my bank account. So you're going to learn all of this. You're going to learn about creating your content and picking the right platform, whether it's YouTube, Facebook. This is going to teach you how to create certain content to bring the right audience to you. So you're going to learn all that. So what I've done, I took the course, and then on top of that, you can earn while you're learning. So it's going to give you step by step how to put the system in place. You're going to look at these videos. It's going to say step one, do this, and you're going to follow that. You're going to do that. It makes it so easy. I'm a visual learner, so it really helped me to put everything together. It was so easy to put together. It took me maybe about 7 days to put everything together, and I was set to go. So once I had everything in set, I use what I've learned and I apply it to my business. I apply it to that digital product already done for me. I was able to use those skills and be able to bring in my first sale within 6 weeks. 6 weeks. So it's easy to put it together, but are you willing to be committed to whatever platform you choose? At first, I used it Instagram, and I would post about every other day, content every other day, posting it faithfully Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Those were my days when I would constantly post. Okay. I don't like to be in front of the camera. So I had to again, step out of my comfort zone and show up and share my journey about what I learned about digital product and how they can get the same thing I've received and be able to make a passive income. Make money while you sleep. Yeah. So I shared that. And like I said, within 6 weeks, I received my investment back. And then again, guess what? I got uncomfortable again and switched the platform and went into Facebook. Everybody knows me on Facebook. So I was like really freaking out, like, oh my God, I don't want to mess up here or whatever. So anyways, then I began to build my content on Facebook. And within less than 2 weeks, someone who I would not imagine invests with me in this same digital product. So why am I sharing this with you is because if you allow yourself to think, I don't have enough skills, I don't have nothing to say, or it's just those small things that will keep us back from getting to where we want to go. I love doing microblading. That's my main income, doing brows. But however, it takes me about 3 hours to work on a client, then I move on to the next, another 3 hours, then I move on to the next, but I'm not able to go out and spend time with my family and travel, and I'm not able to have the freedom to say, okay, I can go today, or somebody call me or family member, hey, I need you for this and that. I can say, okay, or me and my family can pick up and travel. I can't do that because I am trading my time for money. And guess what? It doesn't have to be like that. What I love about the digital world is that you can create one digital product or purchase an already made, done for you digital product and sell it over and over. You're just going to spend the first time when you get this digital product, you might spend one time, maybe 3 or 4 hours putting everything together. That's it. You do nothing. You've already done the work. Now, you're letting your money work for you. That one time setting it up, you're allowing it to generate money over and over and over. That's the lifestyle I want. I don't want to trade long hours anymore for money. I want to put something together, invest in something where it's going to make money for me over and over and over. That's my dream. That's my goal. And within 6 months from now or a year, that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to be making $10,000 a month or more. That is my goal. I am doing this because I want a better future. I want to travel more. I want to be able to send this same online business and give this to my children. That is why I'm doing this. That is why I'm getting uncomfortable and recording right now. But I'm doing it because I know the outcome. I know I am positioning myself to have a better tomorrow. I am making myself a valuable asset because there are so many people that's out there wanting to know how to run a business online. People are wanting to learn about the business of online business. And I'm going to make sure that I'm going to do what I can to share this with as many people as I can, because there are fake programs that does not give you everything that you need. And you invest in something, and then somebody is out there trying to sell you something else. They don't care nothing about you or anything like that. All they want is your money. But I found one product that gave me everything I need. I made one investment of $497 one time, and I was able to get everything that I needed. And I want to share that with others so that you can get the same system that I have and be able to make a passive income over and over and over. But it's important that you do the work. Remember, you are the guarantee for your business to succeed. Not me, not that training. You have to put the work in. How hard are you going to work for you? How hard are you going to work for you? So that is just a little bit of me sharing with you about what I experienced. I love it what I do because, like I said, I put it together one time and it's doing the work for me. And so I want to put this same system, this same training in your hands. If you're out there and you want something new, and maybe you are afraid of, you don't know anything about it, or you're not tech savvy, you can do this. You can do this. This is so easy. I am telling you, putting the system together is so easy. And then on top of that, if you join with me, you're going to be under a mentorship program where we meet every Tuesday. You can ask any question you have or any concerns live right then and there. They're going to be answered. And then we have a mentor hub where every day we're teaching something new every day. So I know that this is for you. Please look at my description below. There's the link there where you can get set up right away. Email me if you want to know more about digital products and what I do and what all I learned. Email me and I'm going to respond right back to you. Thank you so much for viewing my page, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Thank you.
And like and subscribe.